Warli Painting. The term Warli is derived from a word waral, which means a small piece of tilled land. Warli painting is a style of tribal art, mostly created by the tribal people from North Sahyadri range in Maharashtra, India. It is still considered to be one of the oldest paintings in India, to have originated in the 10th century AD or before. Scenes portraying hunting, fishing, and farming, festivals and dances, trees and animals are used to surround the central theme of the painting. This painting do not depict mythological characters. This painting uses mainly geometrical shapes such as square, circle, triangle, etc. Warli painting of Maharashtra is registered with a geographical indication under the Intellectual Property Rights Act.